Hey there. So if you own a party business and you rent out backdrops, this spreadsheet will be super helpful for you. I'm going to show you how it works. It's available in Google Sheets and Excel, and it's on my website. Here we go. Okay, so first of all, we're going to put the name of the event. Say this is going to be someone's 5th birthday party. You can put the client's first name, last name, contact information. You can choose what type is this. So we'll just choose birthday. And what kind of rental is this? Is this a wall, a backdrop, some sort of thing? You can put whatever works for you. And then the color that you have, the size, and the fee. So say this is $150. What is the drop-off date? So you can just choose this. If you're in Google Sheets, you can double click and choose a date. What's the drop-off time and pickup time? Lots of details here to help you stay organized. So you're just putting in information for the rental itself, the venue or the address. If there's a staff member that's actually dropping it off, have the forms been signed? Is there a deposit amount? Has it been received? What's the date? Say it's $150 to rent it out, and then you've received $100. This will automatically tell you how much is owed, and you can put, the date that you received the last payment, and then what is the due date itself. So you can choose that as well. And then this is a bunch of check boxes just to say, hey, have you reminded the client of the rental? This is, this 2 week before, the 1 week before, the day before the event, post-event email. If this doesn't work for you, if you have another system, then by all means, you can double click in here and delete the whole thing and then put in your own, whatever you would like for your own system. And then any notes here, whatever notes you have is good. Okay, so that's how this works. Then there's a dashboard as well. So this will tell you how much you've received, how much is still owed, and then this is going to come in automatically from the rental tracker itself. And then how many rentals have been completed, and then how many deposits are outstanding. That way you can track in the dashboard, what needs to be done. And then this is received versus owed. So on the left is received and the right is still owed. And then this is just a really easy to follow. Like, what events do you have coming up? So you can put in, the 5th birthday party, and then you can choose whatever date that is. So that's how this works. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. This is available at savvyandthriving.com, and you have a great day.